Have you seen this sad blank square character called tofu when an app can't display an emoji? New emojis are constantly being added to the Unicode standards, but since they are bundled as a font, your phone's emojis are set in stone with each OS release. Well, they were. With the EmojiCompat library, part of the Support Library 26, your app can get backwards compatible emoji support on devices with API level 19 and higher, and get rid of tofu. For a given char sequence, EmojiCompat can identify the emojis, replace them with emoji span, and then render the glyphs. On versions prior to API level 19, you'll still get the tofu characters. EmojiCompat builds on the new font mechanism to make sure you always have the latest emoji available. Before using EmojiCompat, the library needs a one-time asynchronous setup. We recommend doing this in the application class like this. When using a downloadable font configuration, create your font request, and the font request EmojiCompat config object. If you can't use downloadable fonts, you can then bundle the emoji font like this. Note that the size of the font is multiple megabytes, increasing your app size considerably. And on top of this, you'll have to ship updates whenever the emoji font is updated. Independent of the way you're using it, the initialization takes at least 150 milliseconds, even up to a few seconds, so you might want to get notified about its state. For this, use the register init callback method. Here's a pro tip for debugging. You can enable a span indicator like this. Display emojis by using the widgets that extend from AppCompat widgets. You can pre-process a char sequence using the process method. You can then reuse the result instead of the initial raw string in any widget that can render spanned instances. So, for example, if you're doing your own custom drawing, you can use this to display emoji text. If you want to add emoji support to a TextView subclass beyond the provided ones, for example to an AppCompat checkbox, you can use the Emoji Text View Helper class. So now, with the new EmojiCompat, I can see that my friend isn't asking me if I want tofu for brunch, but avocados. And the answer is, of course, yes.